Everyone, today I'm going to be talking about another one of my paid indicators, which is the AlgoPro. I bought this one a while back, and I'm going to just kind of go see. I think out of all, the 3 sets of paid indicators that I've bought, this one has the most data to it. There's a lot of, all the other indicators have their specific things. The ones I talked about yesterday it's more about, it covers different things, but the AlgoPro is more based off, I think, of data, and it's got some indicators, but there's specific indicators. It just gives you data more than anything. So that's what I like about it. It's probably my favorite indicator. That I pop it in, and I pop in certain of their indicators just to see certain things on data, and I'll explain that in this video. But they have a couple different indicators, and a lot of it's just based off of data, and you kind of can look at it and look at their charts and what they give you, and you can make your judgments with just the data. But anyway, I'll load up a blank TradingView account, and we're going to look at what they have and what I like about their indicators. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a blank TradingView account here, and basically there's a couple of their indicators that you get once you buy it. Now let me go to their website real quick. Okay, so this is their AlgoPro site. Now I think I remember I got this at a discount back in the day, but this is what I'm going to be talking about in this video. So if you guys want to get it, I will put a link below. It is, it's not, it's right now about, that's a lifetime of $179 right now. They might have some, Black Friday deals going on, but I think it might be more expensive, without the end of the year stuff. But if you look at how it works, it has a lot of stuff on here that I'm going to be talking about in this video, and they got different versions and different things on data, like I was saying. So definitely check them out if you want to get that. I'm going to be going first into, we got AlgoPro version 1.2, version 2, version 3, volume, and I think that's all we got there. So first thing, there's some other stuff up here at the top, but I'm going to talk about the main one first, which is the main one that I use is the AlgoPro version 1.2. I use this for anything that I'm trading, and I just pop this in real quick to look at the market, and I look at this data here, which I said there's a lot of this about data. I'll plug this in and I'll be like, okay, are we bullish or bearish? Overall, are we bullish or bearish? And it's saying Bitcoin right now is bullish. It's coming back from a little dump. So it's saying we're bullish now. So I usually I'll come in and look to see if we're bullish or bearish, but if I need to do more on this, I'll remove the little table there, the lines, and then I'll just look at it from this. They also give you buy and sell signals, which I find pretty accurate. Like, it picked up that you need to buy right here, which I've never technically done a trade based off just their buy and sell signals. I should make a video, and I'll probably make a video in the future on their buy and sell signals and how accurate they are. But right now it's saying to buy Bitcoin, and if it picked up on it selling it, it picked it up right here, right before it started dropping. So maybe I'll make a future video on their buy and sell signals and if they work well. But it does give you buy and sell signals. Once you remove the table, you'll see the buy and sell signals. And what I also like about it is the cloud, and the cloud will kind of give you a general direction of, if you're getting into bullish or bearish. So that is the version 1.2. It is the number one indicator that I use with them. I pop it in usually to see if the overall market is going bullish or bearish. So definitely check out this one. Let's check out the other ones that they offer. We also have the AlgoPro Reversal, which it basically gives you an idea if you were headed into bear or bullish territory. So we could tell that it gave a signal. It gave a signal right now that we were going into bearish, that it was headed into bearish. And if we see anything for bullish, it's all bearish. Right now it's only picking up on bearish, like this run right down there. See if it picked up bearish. It didn't pick it up there. Bearish. It's only picking up bearish right now. Bearish. Moments of where it will go down. And that's the reversal. So you want to see, like the moment it's going up right now. So you want to see when it might retrace and go down. Which it did pick up on right around here. So this is the reversal suite. So let's check out some of the other ones here. I think this one is the... Which one is this one? This is the Swing Bot. Which, let's just turn off the tables. Some of these I haven't looked at completely. So I'm just going to see what it does. This one, I believe, will tell you if you should go long or should go short on certain moments. Which, probably I should look into this more because it looks pretty interesting. And you got your little clouds here that kind of shows you the bearish and bullish moments. And see if we want to find signals if it mentions anything. That might not show up till we get to here the most current of the market. So it pointed an arrow here saying short and then it goes down. So this might be worth looking at if you're doing trades. I might pop this into Forex just to see how it looks on Forex. Was I on Bitcoin? No, let's go to this one here. Let's see how this works for Forex here. If it picks anything up. Okay, so it picked up a short signal right here. And a bunch of sideways action. Does it pick anything else up? Oh, it tells you. I may have to make another video on this to see how this works for Forex. Because it seems like it's picking up on long and short positions. And it seems to be doing pretty good for Forex. I may have to test this out myself. Tells you to close your short. Close shorts. Or just tell you to go. See if I can find any more signals. Short that. And look at that. It tells you to short and then it goes down. And doesn't give any more signals. Tells you to short and it goes down. So if you came in when it says to short and you rode this whole thing out, you would have been in profit. So I may have to test this one out for Forex. I may make a video later on. I've not even seen this one. But anyway, you see, predicts a long and what it does is it goes up. So this is definitely one I'm going to be going over in the future. Definitely going to be making a future video on this one for Forex. But anyway, that's the Swing Bot. You also get that with the AlgoPro package. Let's look at what else they got. That was the Swing. We got the Reversal. Trend. Was this one Trend? Let's see what this one picks up. So this one picks up order blocks. So this picks up moments where it could do a... Well, let's go back to Bitcoin. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Okay, this one picks up the order blocks. So, good to know. So what it's saying right here is there's an order block up here with Bitcoin, and it could retrace and come back down right about up here, about 36. So it looks like Bitcoin could retrace back down around 37,000, and it could bounce from 35,000. So 35 seems to be a good level of support. So right now, and I'm not making this about trades, but 35,000 seems to be a good base number to be in with Bitcoin, unless it drops more, which I don't think that's going to happen. I think Bitcoin is just slowly going up. But anyway, these order blocks show you moments of where people are likely to sell and people are likely to buy back in, and we see those big moments are right up here. You know, people are more likely to sell around 37,000, and more people are likely to buy back in around 35,000. 35,000 seems to be a safe zone, in my opinion. But anyway, that's the trend right there. And let's look at the other ones that they have. We covered the 1.2. Let's look at the version 2. And this one I've talked about a couple times. It covers, you know, if you follow this right here, you want to wait for the green dot to be on the bottom, and you can usually find a pattern of it going up, like this one is right here. It picked up on the trend going back up right here, and it probably picked up on the trend of it going down. See if I can find that one. Right here it picked up on when it started going down yesterday, I think that was, or I think that's sooner. But yeah, it picks up on moments of where it's going to start to go down or up. You have to look for that little dot. If you want to look for a trend down, you have to look for this red dot at the top with the red. If you want to look for moments of it going up, you need to see green dot in the green section on the bottom. So it has to see that. That's another indication of making little trades right there. So that is the version 2.0, and I think it has one more. Actually, there's a couple more. The version 3 is just like a little oscillator, which kind of shows you moments. Basically, when you go from like dark red to red, it's like a moment of it going down. It tells you if it's oversold or overbought, and you could just basically find moments. You could probably even follow the line there and see when it switches from green to red or red to green. So that gives you an indication of if we're going back up. And we can see that happening right now. We can see, if we zoom in here, so we zoom in here, we see that it picked up on the moment of it tanking right there yesterday, and then it getting weaker and starting the trend back up. So you can see when it starts going dark red, it starts to weaken on the downtrend, and it starts going up. So what I would look for is I would look for a dark red where the oscillator down there is small, and I look for my trades right around here. And the same thing goes for the green. When the green is in the dark green, like right around here, I would look for moments of it getting to dark green but being small for the trend change. So that is the AlgoPro version 3. So let's look. I think there was volume. Let's check out volume. Now volume gives you, I have to look into this more, but it just looks to be areas of big volume. So we could see that there's a lot of red down here, and then it gets weaker at the top. So as long as the candles are getting above this red, it's probably going to be starting to print out some green here if it starts to get into bullish territory. So we could tell that right where it tanked, right about here, we could see that it, it started going down. Okay, that is the volume. I think, do we have any more? Volume. What about this one? I think this is the last one. Okay, this just gives you a basic measure of the strength. And you can see that the strength of Bitcoin is starting to grow. It might be getting a little weaker right around here, but we have to wait and see. But it looks like Bitcoin overall is starting to try and go back up from yesterday. But anyway, those are all the indicators that you get from the AlgoPro. If you want to get AlgoPro, I will put a link below with AlgoPro. I do, like I said at the beginning of this video, AlgoPro has a lot of data, and I use a lot of their indicators for just for data, and I basically use the version 1.2 for Forex for Bitcoin to see what the overall market is doing. But I'm definitely going to be looking at the Swing Bot that I saw, because I haven't even seen that one, and I'm definitely going to be looking at that one for Forex. I'll probably make another video about that, how well it works for that. Other than that, if you guys like this video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. See you guys, future videos.